Hello, so if you're having trouble with the screw not going into the slot, notice it's not gonna go in here. You gotta find these ridges here at the end of the slot here. You see that it's only threaded on one end here. So basically you put the screw in here and you basically screw it in, you rotate it. Means the screw's captive so it doesn't fall out. Okay? So it only goes into one end. If you want to take it out, it's not gonna go out here. Again, it can only go out through the same slot here, okay? Same thing with this plate here, with these. You'll notice it's threaded at this, end here. Okay, so to take it out, make sure you align it again, and then we just put it in here. All right, that's it. Then a screw goes in.